Now we're going to do Chapter 5, Problem 27, which is on page 227 in your book. So this is a multi-product company where we've got two products and then we'll be adding a third. So the first thing we have to do is take this data and make a contribution margin income statement and then calculate break even. So what we're going to do is take the data from the table and we're just going to blow it out and show total dollars and percentages for the two products and then in total. So you can see that in total we have a CM ratio of 65%. We take our CM minus our total fixed cost, net operating income of $44,000. So if we want to break even, what are the dollar sales to do that? We're going to take fixed expenses of $475 divided by the CM ratio of 65%. $732,000 is sales dollars to break even. Now we're at 800. So actual is 800, break even 732. Our margin of safety is 68,000. That's how much in sales we can lose before we start losing money. What is that as a percentage? It's always a percentage of the actual sales, 8.5%. And that's requirement 1. Now in requirement 2, we're going to add a product. So now we have the original two products. They're still there with the same amounts and the same contribution margin ratios. But now we're going to add this third product in, and so our totals are going to change. Notice when you're looking at your solutions manual, we had a little formatting problem here and here, but it's still just 300,000 and 120,000. Now when we go over here to the total, our contribution margin ratio is 48.8%, because again, it is a weighted average of everything that's in there. And look at what's happened. Before, our CM ratio was 65%, the average, weighted average between 40% for this product and 80% for this product, with a lot more of the sales of this product. Here we're bringing in a new product that's got a very low CM ratio, and so it's dragging our overall weighted average CM ratio down. We're still benefiting because our profits have gone up because we're adding the sales and the margin from this product. It's just at a lower profit level. So now let's look at what our dollars to break even and our margins are. So our fixed expenses are the same. Our CM ratio has gone down. So our dollar sales to break even have actually gone up. So our actual sales now are $1,250,000 minus break even. Our margin of safety is $275, expressed as a percentage. That's 22%. This can be confusing. The average contribution margin per unit or per dollar of sales, went down with the change in mix. And what your solutions manual is talking about here is this result does confuse people. And it's really the cost, it's the downside of our simplifying assumption that sales mix doesn't change and that we're using a weighted average to do all of these calculations. So that's problem 27.